Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So today I'll be comparing the haptic feedback comparison between the Mi11X versus the Mi11 device, as you can see, friends. So let's see which phone will be having the better haptic feedback, and this was the question asked by one of my subscriber asking me to compare the haptic feedback comparison with the Mi11 using this Mi11X device. So this is how I'm trying to do nowadays videos, so where I'll try to show you friends all the comments, whatever I'm getting the request from. So make sure to comment below if you're having any other doubts regarding the Mi11X device. So all the videos which I uploaded recently, each one of the video was requested by one of my subscriber. So that is how I'm making so many videos on each and every smartphone. So it doesn't matter how silly it is, so make sure to comment below. If I have the time and if it is possible for me, definitely I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible. So make sure to comment below, friends. So definitely I cannot guarantee 100%, but definitely I'll try to upload the video as soon as possible. So let's get started with this kind of haptic comparison between the both phones. So first let me try to remove the case as well, so I can feel the haptics are very good. So first thing is that the Mi11X has been launched recently, and even the Mi11 as well. So Mi11 is kind of very much a premium end smartphone, so which has slightly better haptic feedbacks. So as friends, the haptic feedbacks are slightly better in this Mi11 smartphone. So whereas in the Mi11X device, even the Mi11X has got really good haptic feedbacks, so there is nothing wrong about this phone. But this Mi11 is next level haptic feedback performance, friends. Definitely I can feel huge difference. I know there's a lot of price difference between the both phones, but there is a huge difference in terms of the haptic feedback. So let me try to show you, friends. This is a video which they did implement in the MIUI 12.5 latest update, where in this type of demonstration I can actually feel the ball coming from top to bottom. I can actually feel the vibrations, friends, coming from the bottom till this part. I can feel the vibrations going on. Seriously, this kind of video effects are really good. I can feel even here the haptic feedbacks. So that's a very good haptic feedback which is implemented in this phone. So this is the first time I'm using the phone which has the haptic feedback completely. So that's a very good advantage here. As you can see, friends, you can get all the realistic touch as well in different positions. If you're using on the fingerprint, you'll get the vibrations here. If you're using on the top, you'll get the vibrations there. Even here, when you're selecting the options, you'll get the different kind of vibrations. And even when you press the power button, so there are so much options which are available in this phone, and it's really good, which I completely feel as well. So when I'm trying to explore these options, I did came across all this kind of different vibration effects which I'm having here. So which is really good, and even both phones, they're having the same kind of haptic feedback settings, increasing and decreasing, but Mi11 has very good haptic feedback. So this is what I can conclude, friends. I may not be able to explain you, you may not be able to understand in this video, but trust me, friends, definitely I can feel the difference when they start to make this kind of video from the bottom to top. Exactly when the ball rolls, everything, I can feel the haptic feedback even coming from the backside as well when they are falling down. So it's a really good haptic feedback. I'm not sure how to demonstrate you with this kind of haptic feedback effect. So I'll try to bring the mic a little bit kind of close to the mobile phone while I'm doing this kind of haptic feedback testing. So let's see whether you'll be able to hear any sounds or not. So this is how the haptic feedbacks are, friends. Definitely there's a huge difference. So this is how the haptic feedback is there in the Mi11 device. So overall, even the Mi11X has got pretty good haptic feedback. There's nothing wrong about this phone. But since the subscriber has asked me to compare, so this is how the comparison is. And overall, Mi11 has very good premium feel. The price difference is a lot of price difference. So it's up to you to decide, but definitely if you're buying this Mi11, you will experience really good haptics. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.